Slim, welcome again.
Welcome. Basketball.
Basketball. That is b-ball.
B-ball.
Yeah, that is b-ball.
Okay.
How are you, my man?
I'm doing good. I'm blessed.
Tell me, what are you up to in Mpumalanga?
Oh, we came here today. Gunama tournament that is happening here in Mpumalanga. You actually have the sports school league final happening, and it's sponsored by the departments. But a lot of people don't know. A lot of talent comes from Mpumalanga. We have 2 girls playing the national team that's from Mpumalanga, so we out here for that sports league tournament.
Why do you love baseball?
Oh, basketball, it's big, it's a beautiful sport. The difference in Pinanyami, if you watch the show on SABC One, like you say, the People Show, the NBA made a very big difference in my life. It's helped me, you know, today. Not a lot of people could travel the provinces that I've traveled in Mzansi this year alone, so being out here in Mpumalanga is a blessing, and just helping grow the game of basketball. And
then tell us about the B-Ball show on SABC One.
Oh, B-Ball show, SABC One, every Saturday, produced by Dark Child Productions. One of the nicest shows. It's fresh, season 2. We're blessed to have season 2.
So and then how does people get in touch with you?
Oh, are you on Facebook?
Yes, I'm on Facebook.
Okay, search for you can search for me right now. Jerome Slim Microphone. My page is full, so you can subscribe to my page. Are you on Twitter?
No, I'm not yet.
Oh, Mpumalanga needs to get Twitter. So you can follow me on Twitter as well at QKidSlim, at CUTEKIDSLIM. The B-Ball Show, which is the B-Ball Show, on Twitter as well, and the B-Ball Show page. We're asking people to like the page. Give us comments, tell us what you think of the show, tell us about basketball happening. Take pictures, like we're taking pictures here now so we can upload to Facebook so people can see you and see the guy who speaks the Tswana. Very nice, you know? So, yeah, that's all we're asking for.
So tell me, were you taking some pictures there at that stadium?
Yeah, we happened to take some pictures. We have footage for the B-Ball show, so people watch the show 1:30 every Saturday. If not this coming week, we will have the show on the next week. And then people could see themselves. They could see Mpumalanga and rep MP all day.
So did you tell them at the stadium that they must expect to be seen on a big screen?
They know. They're very excited. The beautiful thing in Mpumalanga, people show I was shocked because people knew I was coming to your city, and I'm humble, you know. It's a humbling experience. Value yourself, you know. Tina, as Abantwana in South Africa, we take things for granted, you know. It's lazy, we don't like to work, you know. So step your game up, do what you love God, and yeah, keep listening to this radio show. That's what you gotta do if you live.
But as I'm looking at you, you are not like when I see you on screen. What's the difference? What's the difference?
Oh, wow. Okay, I'm very handsome.
The last thing that you want to tell our listeners?
All right, then keep watching.
Advice from you.
Advice from me. Love your parents. Love yourself. Love your girlfriend.
Yeah,
love
that's
God,
true.
You know,
that's true.
Be faithful. Protect yourself out there. AIDS is real and it kills people, and we don't want to see that happening in Mpumalanga. You know, Mpumalanga is very, very beautiful. And yeah, just love yourself. And every Saturday, 1:30, you know, the people shows that we're going on 1:30.
One last $1 million question.
Yes.
Are you taken?
Aish. I have a very beautiful girlfriend, unfortunately. But I can still be a friend. I can still say hi, you know, we can take pictures and everything else. But yeah, I'm taken.
Okay.
I'm in love with a very beautiful young lady, yes.
Okay. Right, Slim, enjoy your tour around Mpumalanga.
Thank you to you for making this time for me, sir.
Thank you, Slim.
All right.